Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the battery health on LENOVO Yoga Book 9. In order to check the battery health, you just need to have a keyboard first. So I'm gonna enable the virtual one with 8 fingers at the bottom, but you can also use the physical one and go to start button and type in CMD. Then you can run it as administrator, but it doesn't really matter. So you can just click on open instead. And then, but I prefer to run it as administrator so I don't run into any issues. And now you should type in power CFG space / battery report without spaces, but I've made a little mistake. And now it shows me a file path it was saved to. I'm gonna select this path like that and click on the keyboard on Ctrl, Shift and C. That will copy the command, the path. And now as I go to the file explorer, if you don't want to copy that, you can instead just simply navigate to that path by going to this PC, disk C, and go on. But what I like to do is just click on here, then click on the paste button or Ctrl V. Or maybe I didn't paste it correctly. Yeah, so I didn't. I didn't copy it correctly, so maybe I need to do it without the shift key. Let's try without the shift, and now Ctrl V, yes. So Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, click on enter, and it'll open the battery report. And here, you can see the design capacity and the full charge capacity, the chemistry. This is the lithium polymer battery in this case, but the cycle count will be here as well, and the recent usage, the graph and everything. So the most important for battery health is the design capacity, full charge capacity, and the cycle count. And now let's talk about the design capacity and full charge capacity. So the design one is just the capacity that is supposed to be there once your laptop is fresh out of the factory. And full charge capacity, if it's higher, then it's actually great. It's more than it was expected to be fresh out of the factory, but you also need to remember that there may be some inaccuracies with these full charge capacity, so don't get too excited if the full charge capacity is higher than the design capacity. And it just means that if, for example, your full charge capacity is 10% less than the design capacity, it just means that you have 90% battery health. So if you charge your laptop up to 100%, it would be the same as if your laptop was charged to let's say like 90% when it was new. So if you, for example, have the design capacity 80,000 milliwatt hours like I have, and if my full charge capacity was 70,000 milliwatt hours, that'll mean that I have, I think, like 12.5% loss. So if I charge my laptop up to 100%, if it was 70,000 milliwatt hours here, then it would perform the same as it was charged to like 87.5% when it was fresh out of the factory. And cycle count is just amount of times that you've charged your laptop from 0 all the way up to 100%. So this is basically everything. and you can see other things right here. That's about it, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.